So I got accepted in the Facebook Reels bonus program. But my goal is for 1,200, and guess what? I made it to $1,200. So my payout is August 6th. So now I'm gonna be trying to go for the 3,500 one. I'm on my break right now, but yeah, a lot of people been asking me. My siblings been asking me. I'm trying to put them on too. But for what I saw when they had when a notification popped up on my phone, I've been approved and been accepted or whatever. It said the requirements, it was 3. It said you need 11,000 views for plays, I should say. And then the second requirement was, I think, what was the second one? You have to have a page for 30 days, and then I think you also need 5 reels or more or whatever. But I guess the new thing is that you don't gotta get accepted no more. You could just apply for it and then still put the reels up. But you gotta get 100,000. But if it's, I got kind of like a little, I played around with it, and I'm trying to see, so if you want to know more, I'll let you know. Just leave your email or whatever. I email you what I did, some strategies I did to try to get accepted or whatever. So I guess it worked too. So it's simple too though. So I'm giving up them ideas though. But I mean, that's what you do if you want to get accepted to the Facebook Reels and stuff. I did, I kept saying it too because I really wanted to get accepted for the Facebook Reels, and I did. So I want to go for that 35,000 and get that and stuff. So I got a lot of stuff to pay off and stuff. Everything. I'm on lunch break right now, but if you want to know more, just comment in the description, and then I get back at you and stuff. Peace. YouTube, John Facts.